Mastering idioms. Your key to sound more native. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. Just a quick refresher. Idiomatic expressions are phrases where the meanings can't be inferred simply by looking at the individual words. They have a figurative, not a literal meaning, making them an exciting, yet challenging part of language learning. Now, how can you effectively learn and remember these idioms? Let's find out. The first step to mastering idiomatic expressions is to understand the context in which they are used. Idioms are deeply rooted in culture and often draw from common experiences or shared history. When you come across an idiom, don't just memorize it. Try to understand the scenario where it's used. This understanding will not only help you remember the idiom but also use it appropriately in conversations. Next, we move to using idioms in sentences. Start by integrating the idiom you've learned into a sentence. Write it down, say it out loud, and if possible, use it in a conversation. This active usage reinforces the idiom in your mind and helps you become comfortable with its application. Like any other aspect of language learning, mastering idiomatic expressions requires regular practice and review. Make it a point to learn a few idioms every week. Keep revisiting them and use them frequently in your spoken and written English. The more you use them, the more ingrained they become in your memory. To make the learning process more fun and effective, use visual aids and mnemonics. Visualize the idiom as an image or a scene in your mind. If the idiom is, kick the bucket, imagine someone literally kicking a bucket. Mnemonics, on the other hand, involve creating a memorable association or acronym. This can be especially helpful for idioms that are harder to visualize. So, there you have it. Remember, idioms are a fascinating and integral part of the English language. They add color to your speech and help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't get discouraged if you don't remember all of them immediately. It's a learning process, and with the strategies we discussed today, you'll certainly be able to master them. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and make English a part of your daily life.